Wheels and keys. And so with the OBD on it, does it throw any codes?
Cylinder 1 and 3 misfire, but I believe that's because of whatever was causing the smoke, because before that, nothing.
Yep.
The spark plugs were a bit how you going when I pulled them out, but they were just basic old and needed to be replaced.
Was there any oil in the plugs?
Oh, residue if that. They were just old.
Yeah.
Like, you could just tell they were old.
But not like fresh oil, like all over them, like covering them?
No, they weren't doused or anything. They were just like burnt up and well used.
Yeah, okay.